Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 56, Direct and Indirect Object. Let's learn English. Direct object. It is a noun, or a pronoun, that receives the action of the sentence. It answers the question, what?
Here are
some examples of
direct object.
Betty ate pancake.
Betty ate pancake.
Betty ate what?
A pancake.
Ate is the action word.
Pancake is the direct object.
Matthew sipped the soda from the cup. Matthew sipped the soda from the cup.
Matthew sipped what?
A soda.
Sipped is the action word.
Soda is the direct object.
Martin bought a drum for his brother. Martin bought a drum for his brother.
Martin bought what?
A drum.
Bought is the action word.
Drum is the direct object. Indirect object. It tells to whom or to what the action of the verb is done. It also comes between the verb and the direct object.
Here are
some examples of
indirect object.
Betty gave Bert a bone.
Betty gave Bert a bone.
To whom was the bone given?
To Bert.
Bert is the indirect object.
The audience was impressed by Martin's performance.
To whom were they impressed?
To Martin.
Martin is the indirect object. Mom told Matthew to prepare the things he needed for school. Mom told Matthew to prepare the things he needed for school.
To whom did Mom tell to prepare?
To Matthew.
Matthew is the indirect object.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Underline the action word, and circle the direct object on each sentence.
Number 1. We gathered all our old books and toys to give it to the charity.
Gathered is the action word.
Old books and toys is the direct object.
Number 2. Most of the students attended the English club meeting.
Attended is the action word.
English club meeting is the direct object.
Number 3. The newly opened restaurant offered brownies to their guests.
Offered is the action word.
Browns is the direct object.
Number 4. Gina packed and sent the parcel to Mrs. Hein.
Packed is the action word.
Parcel is the direct object.
Number 5. Winona climbed to the highest peak of the mountain.
Climbed is the action word.
Highest peak of the mountain is the direct object.
Number 6. Don't forget to flush the toilet when you're done peeing.
Flush is the action word.
Toilet is the direct object.
Number 7. I bought these vinyls for $100.
Bought is the action word.
Vinyls is the direct object.
Number 8. John left his cap and bag at our house.
Left is the action word.
Cap and bag is the direct object.
Number 9. Jim paid the food for us.
Paid is the action word.
Food is the direct object.
Number 10. Jana took the entrance exam for college.
Took is the action word.
Entrance exam is the direct object.
Quiz number 2. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Underline the action word once, direct object twice, and circle the indirect object.
Number 1. I took Tucker for a walk.
Tucker is the indirect object.
Took is the action word.
Walk is the direct object. Number 2. Claire made her biscuits.
Her is the indirect object.
Made is the action word.
Biscuits is the direct object. Number 3. Juanito read Carmella the letter.
Carmella is the indirect object.
Read is the action word.
Letter is the direct object. Number 4. You must tell your mom about the party.
Mom is the indirect object.
Tell is the action word.
Party is the direct object. Number 5. The compliant told the judge about his problems in their barangay.
Judge is the indirect object.
Told is the action word.
Problems in their barangay is the direct object. Number 6. He's making excuses to Alex to make up his wrongdoings.
Alex is the indirect object.
Making excuses is the action word.
Make up his wrongdoing is the direct object. Number 7. The project manager gave the site engineers their daily tasks.
Site engineers is the indirect object.
Gave is the action word.
Daily tasks is the direct object. Number 8. The government helped the typhoon victims by giving money and foods.
Typhoon victims is the indirect object.
Helped is the action word.
Money and food is the direct object. Number 9. Mr. Louis sends him a parcel on Christmas every year.
Him is the indirect object.
Sends is the action word.
Parcel is the direct object. Number 10. I wish you luck as you move to your new work.
You is the indirect object.
Wish is the action word.
Luck is the direct object. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.